When you choose Brighouse Flooring for your commercial flooring needs, you're securing a commitment to exceptional after-sales service. Our dedication to your satisfaction extends beyond the fitting process. Whether it's wear and tear, accidental damage, or just seeking an upgrade, Brighouse Flooring is here for you. Our expert team can visit your site, inspect any damage, and provide free technical advice on replacement or upgrades, ensuring the longevity and suitability of your flooring. With over 3 decades of experience, we've been enhancing the flooring of various commercial spaces, from schools to care homes to healthcare settings, offices, retail units, restaurants and gyms. Trust Brighouse Flooring for quality products, expert installation and a lifetime commitment to your satisfaction. Because with us, your flooring investment is in good hands. Visit our website today at www.brighouseflooringcompany.co.uk or contact one of our team on brighouseflooring@gmail.com.